Automatic garage door repair. For common problems, the opener is an efficient and powerful mechanism that facilitates the smooth operation of the garage door. However, suddenly it could malfunction and people call emergency garage door repair services to fix the opener, quickly. Non-working wall switch or remote control. A non-working garage door, even after pressing a wall or remote switch, often point towards a disrupted power source. Check for any unplugged motor, a burned out or tripped fuse, circuit breaker, faulty outlet powering the opener circuit, or repeated tripping of the breaker or outlet points indicates a malfunctioning opener. When other electrical circuits or lights in the garage do not work as well, you should reset breaker and replace any burned out fuse. Further, if the mounted keypad or wireless control is not opening the door, move closer to the door, as the antenna's range may be low and receiving signals could be a challenge. For any of these problems, immediately call Garage Door Repairs in the western suburbs of Melbourne. Door does not close completely. There may be a time when the door is opening the correct way but do not close completely. Try adjusting the door's close limit switch, as it has a set limit switch to stop the motor from running when opening and closing. A wrong switch setting prevents the door closing properly. It often leads to reversing or pulling back of the opener. Close limit switch of the door opener works as a safety mechanism to prevent injuries. It is a critical device, hence proper adjustment of the limiting switch must be done to stop the erratic behavior of the garage door. The set limit switch adjustment is different based on the door type, and this determines automatic garage door repair requirement. The screw feature of motor unit adjusts the extent of door's descent. If facing trouble with complete door closing, call Garage Door Repairs in Melbourne's eastern suburbs, quickly. Reversing of the door before it closes. Reversing of the door before continuing with the downward motion is often due to the adjustment issues of the closing force. The friction between the door rollers and tracks may hinder functionality of door openers. It requires adjustment to decrease its sensitivity. There may be extra friction due to rusted or damaged rollers, and this makes the door stop prematurely. The door needs lubrication, and Garage Door Repairs in the western suburbs of Melbourne can assist. Conclusion: the opener for the garage door is a critical device, and it comes in different variants such as chain drive, screw drive, quiet models, belt drive, and Wi-Fi connectivity models. Smart design facilitates control from a remote location. Hence, immediate professional intervention is required to make them work smoothly and efficiently.